If you want to translate text inside a Zapier workflow, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. By the end, you'll know how to add the translate action, choose your languages, enter your text, and test the results so your automation works smoothly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Zapier and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Assets section. This is where Zapier keeps your saved tools and workflow items. Click on Assets and then select Zap Workflows. That will open the list of your existing Zaps so you can choose the one you want to edit. Now click on the Zap where you want to add translation. This opens the Zap editor where you can build or update your automation step by step. In the workflow, click the plus icon to add a new action. This is how you insert another step into the automation. After clicking the plus button, choose Utilities from the app list. Zapier groups helpful built-in tools under Utilities, and the translate action is inside this section. Once you open Utilities, click on Translate. This is the action you'll use to convert text from one language to another. Next, you'll see the setup screen. Click on Action Event and then select Translate Text. This tells Zapier exactly what kind of translation task you want it to perform. After that, click Continue so you can move on to the field settings. Now it's time to configure the translation. Start by clicking Source Language. This is the language your original text is written in. Select the correct language from the list so Zapier can read the text properly and translate it accurately. Then move to the text box and fill in the text you want translated. This could be a sentence, a paragraph, a message, or any text coming from another step in your Zap. The more accurate your source text is, the better the translation result will be. Next, click Choose Value in the Target Language section. This is where you tell Zapier what language you want the text translated into. Select the language you need from the available options. Make sure the target language matches the result you want for your workflow. Once both languages are set and your text is filled in, click Continue again. Zapier will now prepare the action using the settings you entered. At this point, you're almost done. The last step is to test the translation. Run the test so Zapier can process the text and show you the translated output. Check the result to make sure the source language, target language, and translated text all look correct. If everything works as expected, your Zap is ready to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to translate with Zapier by adding the translate text action, selecting your source and target languages, entering your text, and testing the workflow. This is a great way to automate multilingual tasks and save time in your workflows. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Zapier guides, automation tips, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.